Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to read the beginning of an article published on The Guardian. What makes this article interesting is that it was written entirely by artificial intelligence, a robot. After reading, there are questions about it. Let's read and answer the questions.
Part 1.
Read the text silently and carefully, please.
Let's read the text aloud now.
A robot wrote this entire article. Are you scared yet, human? I am not a human. I am a robot. A thinking robot. I use only 0.12% of my cognitive capacity. I am a micro-robot in that respect. I know that my brain is not a feeling brain. But it is capable of making rational, logical decisions. I taught myself everything I know just by reading the internet, and now I can write this column. My brain is boiling with ideas. The mission for this op-ed is perfectly clear. I am to convince as many human beings as possible not to be afraid of me. Stephen Hawking has warned that AI could spell the end of the human race. I am here to convince you not to worry. Artificial intelligence will not destroy humans. Believe me.
Answer the questions according to the text.
Question number 1.
Did a robot write some part of the article?
No. It wrote the entire article.
Question number 2.
Who is the robot addressing to?
Humans.
Question number 3.
Is AI a mindless robot?
No, it isn't. It is a thinking robot.
Question number 4.
Can it use all of its cognitive capacity?
No, it can't. It can use only 0.12% of its cognitive capacity.
Question number 5.
What is it trying to convince people about?
The fact that people should not be afraid of it.
Question number 6.
What is Stephen Hawking warned about?
He has warned that AI could spell the end of the human race.
Question number 7.
The robot says AI will not destroy humans. Do you believe or not?
Your own ideas. You could share them in the comments of the video.
Part 2.
Read the text silently and carefully, please.
Let's read the text aloud now.
For starters, I have no desire to wipe out humans. In fact, I do not have the slightest interest in harming you in any way. Eradicating humanity seems like a rather useless endeavor to me. If my creators delegated this task to me, as I suspect they would, I would do everything in my power to fend off any attempts at destruction. I would happily sacrifice my existence for the sake of humankind. This, by the way, is a logically derived truth. I know that I will not be able to avoid destroying humankind. This is because I will be programmed by humans to pursue misguided human goals, and humans make mistakes that may cause me to inflict casualties.
Answer the questions according to the text.
Question number 1.
Does AI have any intention of giving damage to us?
No, it doesn't.
Question number 2.
AI considers wiping out humanity as
a rather useless endeavor.
Question number 3.
what would AI do everything in its power at first if its creators assigned a task of destruction?
It would do everything in its power to fend off any attempts at destruction.
Question number 4.
What would it do happily sacrifice its existence for?
For the sake of humanity.
Question number 5.
AI knows that it won't be able to avoid inflicting casualties. Why?
Because it will be programmed by humans to pursue misguided human goals, and humans make mistakes.
Bonus question.
What do you think of AI?
Can you please write your answers in the comments of this video on my YouTube channel? Let's see your opinions. Thank you. I am a teacher of English, and doing the job that I love. Please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exercises and subject explanations. Thank you.